If you want to export your Krita animation as an MP4 file, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to render your animation correctly so you can save it as a video file and share it anywhere you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Krita project and make sure your animation is ready to export. Once everything looks good, go up to the top menu bar and click File. This is where Krita keeps the main export and rendering options, so you'll want to start here. From the File menu, select Render Animation. When you click that option, Krita will open the Render Settings window. This is where you choose how your animation will be exported, and it's the most important part of the process because the wrong settings can lead to an incomplete or incorrect video file. Now look under the Export section. You'll see different output options, and for this tutorial, you want to select the Video Radio button. Choosing video tells Krita that you want to export your animation as a video file instead of image sequences or another format. This is the first key step toward getting an MP4 export. Next, set your first frame and last frame values. These boundaries should match the length of your timeline, so Krita knows exactly which frames to include in the final render. If your animation starts at frame 1 and ends at frame 240, for example, make sure those values are entered correctly. This helps avoid missing frames or exporting only part of your animation. After that, find the Render As drop-down menu. Click it and select MPEG-4 video, also known as MP4. This is the format you want if you need a widely compatible video file that works on most devices, platforms, and editors. MP4 is usually the best choice for sharing animations online or uploading them to social media and video platforms. Once the format is set, click the folder icon next to File. This lets you choose your output destination folder. Pick a location on your computer where you can easily find the finished video later, like your desktop, Downloads folder, or a dedicated Exports folder. It's always a good idea to keep your exports organized so you don't lose track of them. Now take a moment to double check everything. Make sure the export type is set to video, your frame range matches the full length of the animation, the format is set to MPEG for video, and the save location is correct. A quick review here can save you from having to render the file again later. When everything looks good, click OK at the bottom right to compile your animation. Krita will now begin rendering the project into an MP4 file. Depending on the length and complexity of your animation, this may take a little time, so be patient while the export finishes. Once the render is complete, go to the folder you selected and open the file to make sure the video exported properly. If it plays back smoothly, then you've successfully exported your Krita animation as an MP4. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.